All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about my new editing system, including a new desktop PC. All right, so in case you can't see, dual monitors on the new system, but let's take a look at my old system first. Now, my old system was an Asus gaming laptop with a Core i7 7700 2.8 gigahertz processor, NVIDIA 1060 GTX graphics card, and this is the laptop I've edited almost all of my videos on. I bought it pretty early on from Best Buy, just a stock gaming laptop. It's been good, but during renders, and we'll pop up a graphic here, it gets hot. And because when I'm processing a video out, it gets hot, it slows down. Unfortunately, that's part of rendering with Adobe Premiere Pro. It's very intensive on the GPU and CPU. Now, this laptop scrubs through 4K video without problems, but render times were getting longer and longer and longer because heat was getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So decided it was time for an upgrade. Now, as you can see, additional screen, because I'm old, but yes, I do still have hair. So I upgraded to a new desktop. I had a custom-made PC built. The long-term plan for this is to move, once I find the right desk, to move this setup over where the laptop is and add a third monitor with 4K. Now, I thought about building my own PC, but unfortunately I don't have time. So I was looking around trying to find the right pre-built system and wasn't really happy with what was available readily. So I went with a company called NZXT and their BLD service, their build service. For $99, I could pick all my components at MSRP and build the system I wanted and be able to have the performance I want and need for editing 4K. All my videos are 4K now. The amount of information in 4K video is absolutely great for my style of filming. I batch film my videos and sometimes don't remember to zoom in the camera, so I can just do it in editing and it doesn't blur out the picture or anything like that, so I can get really crisp close-in shots without having to do it on the camera. Now, the specs on my PC are a Intel Core i7 9700K Coffee Lake Edition. I have a Asus Republic of Gaming motherboard, NVIDIA RTX 2080 Black Gaming Edition graphics card, and I've got it overclocked. 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now, Premiere Pro is limited to 16 gigabytes of using RAM, but when you have more, it can use, whereas with my old system, it had 12 gigabytes of RAM and would stop about 8 to 11. It wouldn't go all the way to 12. This will go all the way to 16 on full render. Now, if you're familiar with 4K, you know the files are rather large. Not 8K large, but they're large. So my desktop has a 1 terabyte SSD and 2 4 terabyte traditional hard drives for storage. Once I'm done editing on the SSD, I can move that stuff over to the hard drives, and then my long-term plan is to have a RAID storage system here at the house to back up my footage so I can use it for future videos. But my render time now, instead of being 1.5 to 2 times of watch time, is now under watch time for 4K, which is phenomenal for my workflow. It allows me to edit videos faster, actually be able to do other things. Set up the Teespring store for you to buy merchandise with my logo. I unfortunately lost my original logo for my stickers. I kept putting off redoing it because I lost the original file. I just didn't have time. So I was able to redo the logo, put in a format for Teespring, and be able to do that. So if you want to buy merch, it's under my video, so it's there. But this is my new system. So I'm gonna pop up some graphics during this video showing what happens when I do full renders. Little side note on this little guy, a high-speed card reader. I initially ordered this from Amazon. My initial order went to Hawaii. And so they wound up refunding me. And so I had to reorder it. Like, really? That was fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my new setup. So, thanks for watching.